Mike Anna, come for dinner. I gotta let you know the most amazing show I saw on Friday night. So, for those gang who are in Nandi, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about because they've just left Nandi. And they're heading to Suva. They're going to Ba, Raki, Lambasa, Suva, I think Nausori. I'll put the details up. But guys, I kid you not, you have to go and see the Fijian Flying Circus show. It is 3 hours of jam-packed entertainment, laughs, talent, strength, performance, characters, highs, lows, oohs, ahs. It is one of the best circus shows I've ever seen, and I've been to Cirque du Soleil. But to know that it's homegrown, it's Fijian homegrown talent performing, and you know how much this costs? You know how much tickets start at? $8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 per person. 8. Honestly, if this show was in New Zealand, I'd pay 80. 80. Easily. Minimum. This show is fantastic. I have not been paid to say this. I am not getting any kickbacks for saying this. I truly, genuinely loved this show, and you should go too. I'll pop the dates up there. Now, I'll put them there.